Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Imagine a place in space so incomprehensibly dark it could swallow an entire star. No light escapes, no sound reverberates, and nothing that enters ever comes back. This isn't the plot of a sci-fi blockbuster. This is the cosmic reality of the universe's most enigmatic wonders: black holes. But here's the twist. Not all black holes are created equal. Stick around till the end, and I'll explain why one particular discovery has left scientists completely speechless and a little terrified. Let's dive into the abyss of space and explore the unfathomable power of black holes. All right, so first, let's get this straight. What is a black hole? In the simplest terms, a black hole forms when a massive star dies, collapsing under its own gravity with such force that it creates a gravitational field so strong neither light nor matter can escape. Picture it as a vacuum cleaner of the cosmos, endlessly devouring anything that wanders too close. And no, you wouldn't even see it coming. Since no light escapes, a black hole is virtually invisible unless it's actively gobbling up nearby gas or stars. Then, and only then, might we catch a flicker of its insatiable appetite as it emits powerful X-rays. Why are black holes fascinating, though? Well, they don't just destroy, they also shape the universe. Some black holes, called supermassive black holes, sit at the center of galaxies, including our very own Milky Way. Imagine something billions of times the mass of our sun steering the cosmic dance of an entire galaxy. If you think that's mind-blowing, wait until you hear about the newly discovered type of black hole that scientists call ultramassive. What does it devour? Oh, you know, just galaxies, or at least the stars within them. Keep listening to find out how this monstrous phenomenon could change everything we thought we knew about space. But here's the part that really messes with your head. Black holes also stretch the very fabric of time itself. Thanks to a concept called time dilation, the closer you are to a black hole, the slower time moves. Say you're watching someone fall toward a black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. From your perspective on the outside, time seems to slow down for them, as if they're frozen right at the edge. But for the person falling in, time feels completely normal until, you guessed it, they're spaghettified. Yeah, that's the actual scientific term. Picture being stretched like an overcooked spaghetti noodle as the gravitational pull tears you apart atom by atom. Now think about this. Could a black hole theoretically transport you somewhere else in the universe? While Hollywood movies like Interstellar love to play with this concept, real-world scientists are more skeptical. Wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts through space-time, would require conditions so specific and stable that they're more fiction than fact for now. That said, the idea of black holes being gateways to other dimensions isn't entirely off the table. Who knows? The universe holds more secrets than answers. Still with me? Great, because here's where things go from fascinating to downright chilling. Earlier this year, astronomers studying a relatively quiet part of the galaxy stumbled upon something utterly bizarre, a black hole over 30 billion times the mass of our sun. Let me say that again, 30 billion. For perspective, most black holes we've detected are typically a few solar masses. Even our galactic heavyweight Sagittarius A barely tips the scales at 4 million solar masses. So what on Earth, or rather, what in space, is this 30 billion solar mass monster doing out there? Here's the kicker. This newly discovered ultramassive black hole isn't alone. Researchers are beginning to suspect that these cosmic beasts might be more common than we thought. But how do they grow to this size? One theory suggests these ultramassive black holes are the product of galaxies colliding and merging over billions of years, dragging both matter and smaller black holes toward a central point of insatiable hunger. Picture it like snowballs rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger as they absorb everything in their path. The result? a colossus of darkness so formidable that it could literally reshape the universe around it. As you might imagine, finding these black holes isn't easy. They don't exactly send out invitations saying, "Hey, come take a look." Instead, astronomers have to rely on indirect evidence, like gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events, or the orbit of stars and gas near an invisible center. Think of it like spotting a windstorm in the desert. You can't see the wind, but the swirling sand gives it away. But here's the big question. What happens if an ultramassive black hole moves? Oh yes, you heard that right. Some black holes are on the move. Scientists have found evidence of recoiling black holes that, after a galactic collision, shoot off into space like a cosmic slingshot. Imagine a 30 billion solar mass monster wandering through the universe, silently consuming anything unfortunate enough to cross its path. It's the stuff of nightmares, but also, arguably, the most thrilling mystery in astrophysics today. So why should we care? Well, studying black holes isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. Black holes challenge everything we think we know about physics, from gravity to quantum mechanics. And every new discovery, like this ultramassive behemoth, feels like a tiny piece of a puzzle we may never fully complete. And now, as promised, here's the part that'll leave you in awe. Scientists theorize that at the exact center of some ultramassive black holes, there could exist something called a naked singularity. Unlike traditional black holes, naked singularities defy the laws of physics as we know them. They have no event horizon, meaning they could theoretically interact with the universe in ways we can't even begin to predict. What might they reveal? A glimpse into a parallel dimension? The secrets of the universe's creation? Or, perhaps, nothing at all? The truth is, we don't know. And that's what makes it so exhilarating. The universe isn't just vast. It's brimming with enigmas waiting to be uncovered. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll stand on the brink of solving its greatest mysteries. Thanks for exploring with us today on Science Spark. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts on the mysteries of black holes below. Let's keep the cosmic conversation going, and remember, this outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.